In the previous lesson, we created doors for the building. However, the actual types of nowadays are not available in Allplan. So, how do we solve it? For today's lesson, by editing SmartPart, Smart Objects, we can adjust parameter from the available door types to have the door styles as desired. The aim of today's lesson is to be able to adjust the door types. Custom as in design. I would like to repeat here in the previous lesson. We click here to choose the available types of door. Actually, we should choose the door have the most similar type to desired. For example, if you want to create wooden doors, then choose a wooden door type here. Similarly, you choose a type of glass door, so we can easily adjust. And to adjust, you double-click on the SmartPart element on the door. On the 2D plan view or the 3D view, a pop-up window consists of 4 small tabs. For Elements tab, here you can modify the specific elements of the door SmartPart, including door frames, casements, pane. For casement, we have opening, style or fittings. Or you can click on the door frame, leaf or pane to change properties and formats. For example, here I choose to enter the doors casement. There will be many types of doors. Turn type, pivoted type, sliding type. You choose the appropriate opening type. You can choose the size, type of opening, and flip direction and open direction. You can choose the door handle, hingle side or frame side. Adjust the size of the rabbet and the relative position of the rabbet compared to the frame. At the tab of 2D, 3D representation, can adjust the open angle surface element or surface in 3D representation. At 2D representation, we can adjust level of detail of door. Layer, line properties, surface element, material. Opening symbol. Door details with different reference scale. Similarly, for 3D representation, we also have formats, surface elements, opening symbol, colors. In the settings section, you define the location of door in the wall you want to work with. After setup, click close to confirm. And you do the same thing with the other door. However, with buildings there are many types of doors. It is advisable to create a list of door for the project. You can edit it suitable to the design and save it in the wizard, like the previous columns and wall videos, and we can easily use it later. For example, I created it in the Wizard tab, the template of all doors, according to design, by editing the SmartPart. Proceed to delete the original door. Select the Opening in Object tab, delete it. We begin to recreate. Choose the Wizard palette. Choose the door position. Right-click and match components placed in desired wall position. Select the reference point. enter to first position, press enter. Enter to confirm. Next, choose to create the remaining doors. Right-click on the component to match. Then place on the desired wall position. Select the reference point. Enter the distance to determine the first point. Click Enter. Right-click to confirm. Escape to exit the command. And here all the door types I've adjusted and recreate for our first floor in accordance with architectural requirements. The lesson now ends. Next lesson, creating openings and windows SmartPart.